Welcome to Pandesar math class. Children, today I am going to teach you very important topics in mensuration, which is your sphere and hemisphere. So first say how hemisphere and sphere looks. This is the shape of or model of a sphere. A sphere is a round shaped object where we don't find any end and any initial points. And hemisphere shape is like this. It has got only one end point, which is your circular. Now, how to find its surface area? Say since it has no end point and no initial point. So in sphere we will only calculate curved surface area. No total surface area will be there for a sphere. And the formula which we use to find surface area of a sphere is your four pi r square units. If radius is given in centimeter, then it will become your centimeter square or square centimeter. Second, volume. Volume of a sphere formula cubic units. To find volume of a sphere, if the sphere radius is r, then we use this formula 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. If radius is given in centimeter, then it will become centimeter cube, or you can write cubic centimeter. Now, how to find curved surface area, total surface area and volume of a sphere. Sorry, hemisphere. Number 1, curved surface area. In short, we can write curved surface area, or LSA, lateral surface area, both are same. Equal to, if the radius of this hemisphere is your r, then formula is your 2 pi r square units. Second, to find total surface area, of the sphere or of a sphere, sorry, hemisphere. Curved surface area plus area of this circular portion. So we can write here 2 pi r square plus area of circle we know, which is pi r square. So thus we are getting here 3 pi r square units. Then third one is your volume of a hemisphere. Half of the volume of a sphere, because this hemisphere is exactly half of this sphere. Since we know the volume of a sphere is your 4 by 3 pi r cube, If you divide this by 2, you will get the volume of hemisphere. And we are getting here 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic unit. So first two formula are for your sphere. When you are asked to find surface area of a sphere, if radius of the sphere is your r, then use this formula. If you are asked to find volume of the sphere, then use this formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. And to find cut surface area of a hemisphere, we have formula 2 pi r square, and for total surface area we have formula 3 pi r square, and to find volume use this formula 2 by 3 pi r cube, cubic units. Now let's learn the application of these all formulas. Number 1, find the surface area of a sphere if its radius is 14 centimeter. First you will write radius, what are given. Given is your radius. Given that radius of the sphere equal to 14 centimeter, and what we have to find? We have to find its surface area. Now, surface area of a sphere, four pi r square. Therefore, we will get answer 4 into 6. Value of pi is always fixed, which is your 22 by 7. So write here 22 by 7, and r value is given 14 into 14. Since your r is in centimeter, so it will become your centimeter square. Now if you calculate, you can cancel this with 2. Next, this means 88 into 14 centimeter square, and if you calculate this, you will get 2464 centimeter square. So in this way we calculate surface area of a sphere. What are given? Write first, then write the formula, then substitute the value of radius, and pi value you already know, okay, which is your always 22 by 7. Calculate and write the unit, and finally here answer. Second example. Find the diameter of a sphere if its area is 154 centimeter square. Solution. We know surface area or area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So we can write according to question 4 pi r square equal to 154. Then r square equal to 154 by 4 pi. Value of pi is your 22 by 7, so this 7 will go up. Next, r equal to under root of this 154 into 7 by 88. You multiply and it will be your centimeter. Then r value we are getting here 3.5 centimeter. If you calculate this, you will get 12.25 centimeter. Sorry. So now r we have, and we know diameter means twice the radius. Therefore, diameter of the sphere equal to 7 centimeter. Sometime you will be not asked to find only volume, surface area or curved surface area of geometrical figure. You may be asked to find other components. Like here in this question, you are asked to find its diameter. So with the help of this formula, what are given? Equate, find the radius, then you know diameter means twice the radius. Multiply the calculated radius with 2, you will get its diameter. See second example. Question number 3. A hemispherical ball has radius 3.5 centimeter. What would be the volume of water it would contain? Means what amount of water a hemisphere whose radius is 3.5 centimeter can hold. This means we have to use here hemispherical volume formula, which is your 2 by 3 pi r cube. Radius is given, so write volume of the hemispherical ball by 3 pi r cube. Now we know the value of pi, which is 22 by 7, and r value means 3.5 whole cube. And unit we will get here centimeter cube because radius is given in centimeter. If we calculate here, then you will get 9.84 centimeter. This means this hemispherical ball can hold 89.84 centimeter cube of water. See one more example. Find the volume of a sphere if its radius is 5 centimeter. Very easy. Solution. Volume of the sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we have radius 5 centimeter. And value of pi we know, which is always 22 by 7. So now we are putting the value of pi as well as value of r, which is 5 cube. Since it is given in centimeters, so we have to write here centimeter cube. Now calculate this. If you calculate, you will get 523.80 centimeter cube. So dear students, when you are solving any question in mensuration, you have to know the formula and then you have to substitute the value of the unknown parameter from question. Suppose here in this formula we don't know r, but this r will be given in the question, that you substitute, calculate, and at the end always write answer as well as unit. So till in this video till this much. Now wait for my next video. Till then, thank you.